Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our handwriting analysis course which is called as graphology. So this is our introductory audio class about our course handwriting analysis. So what is handwriting analysis? What is the history of graphology, handwriting analysis, and what will be the content or how the course will be? So I will tell you these things and of course what you will learn here. So handwriting analysis or graphology has ever been considered as one of the important subjects to understand personality and behavior pattern of a person. Why different persons write same words differently? Subconscious mind of the person is believed to be affecting handwriting and signature of the person. No doubt, what is written is very important, but how is written is equally important. Handwriting is an ideomotor response that bypasses the critical mind. It is very important diagnostic tool and also a healing therapy. It helps the therapist to get an inner profile of the person even before talking with him. The science of analyzing handwriting is called graphology. Handwriting for centuries has been recognized as being unique to each individual. The scholars like Shakespeare and Walter Scott believed that personality is reflected in the style of writing. The scientific establishment started compiling evidences and formulating theories in this regard in 17th century. Frenchman Micon coined the term graphology in 1875. Though it is comparatively new subject, still it is widely used in the fields of education, criminal psychology, recruitment, human resource development and diagnosis of diseases. So this is about graphology. What is graphology? Now I'll tell you how the course will be conducted and the content. So whole course is classified in three parts, namely 1. Handwriting analysis, 2. Signature analysis, and 3. Some samples for different or specific characteristic. That's it. Now I'll tell you one more thing. I'll give you one self-assessment questionnaire before starting the course, which will give me the understanding, the knowledge what you have. You have to answer that questions. This questionnaire is very small, like 4 or 5 questions. So please help in that. You will learn here to understand different behavioral characteristics of the person by analyzing handwriting of the person. You will acquire competence to analyze signature of the person and will be able to suggest corrective measures if any. So you will know handwriting analysis, but also you will know about its applications. But the very important thing is you will get whole knowledge, basic knowledge, very precise and short forms, but you have to read the notes daily and you have to practice whatever I have given you that day. If you will not practice at least for 15 minutes, half an hour daily, you cannot acquire the skill. So for that you have to practice at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour daily. Then you will master the skill. That's it. Thank you so much. All the best and enjoy our beautiful course. Thank you.